Hello students, welcome back to our English class. In the previous class children we have seen a lesson, right? Yes, it was the story of Rashid, a small boy who went to a fair with his uncle and his servant named Baya. Right? Yes, what is the lesson name? The lesson name was Game of Chance. So let us see the continuation of this story. So when they went to the fair, uncle want to spend his time with his friends. So he'll tell to Baya to take care of Rashid and go through the fair, and whatever he need he can buy, but don't waste more money and not to buy or not to do anything. He told he want them, and he went with his friends. Then Rashid and Baya, they went around the fair. While they were going, they saw a lucky shop. In that lucky shop, there were discs on the table. They need to take out six discs. Upon that, they had given numbers. They used to add the number and they get the total, right? Yes, the total number which we will get, that article is years. So an old man used to play the game and he get a beautiful clock. Yes, for 25 pies he used to take it, right? So he'll leave the clock and he'll go off. And next, if you observe here, this was a lucky shop. Baya and Rashid were observing there. In the here these are the days. You can find numbers on the disc also. Okay. After the old man, a small boy will play there, and that boy also he used to pay 50 paisa first, and he'll add the numbers. Then he used to get the article, that is comb. That is a comb. So he used to give, the small boy give back the comb to the shopkeeper for 25 pies. He don't want this comb. Who don't want the comb? A small boy who was playing there. He don't want the comb. So he'll return back to him and he'll take 25 pies. Again he used to play. For the second time he got a fountain pen. What did he get? Fountain pen. So this boy don't want the fountain pen, so he'll give back to the shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper will return it for 3 rupees. For 3 rupees. First time he used to get a comb. He don't want the comb, he gave back. And again he played the game. Next time he got a fountain pen, and it was, he don't want the fountain pen, so he gave back to the shopkeeper, and shopkeeper gave him 3 rupees. So third time he was going to play, and then he got a wristwatch. Okay, and the cost of this wristwatch is 25 rupees. How much? 25 rupees. So again this boy don't want this watch, so he will give back to the shopkeeper, and shopkeeper will give him 25 rupees. And next, for the 4th time, he used to play, and then he got a table lamp. This was the table lamp. And before, how many rupees he used to get from the shopkeeper for the wristwatch, children? 25 rupees, right? For this 25 rupees, more than 10 rupees they used to pay. Who used to pay here? Shopkeeper. Shopkeeper paid more than 10 rupees for 25. That means total how much? 35 rupees. So for 35 rupees he used to buy a table lamp. So see how many of them have completed playing here. 2 members. Old man and a small boy. For an old man, for the first time only he used to get beautiful clock. But he don't want that clock, he gave it to the shopkeeper and he took 25 paisa return. For the second time, the second person, a small boy, he used to play the game. he paid 50 pies and then he selected 6 discs. He had he added it and get the total. For the first time he got a comb. He gave back the comb for 25 pies. And then again he placed for the second time. At that time he got a fountain pen. And what is the cost of that fountain pen when he returns back? It was 3 rupees. And for the third time, again he used to pay 50 paisa and he used to take 6 discs, added them, get a total. The article is wristwatch. So what is the cost of the wristwatch? 25 rupees. With that 25 rupees, he again paid 50 paisa to the shopkeeper. Again played for the fourth time. And this time he got a table lamp and the cost of it is 25 plus 10. How much? 35 rupees. Okay. And so he took the table lamp and he went off. Now Rashid, our friend Rashid, he wants to check his lucky. So he used to go and pay 50 paisa to the shopkeeper. Rashid went to the shopkeeper and paid 50 paisa. And then he took 6 discs, added them. Then he got it. What did he get? 2 pencils. 2 pencils. So he don't want these pencils. Rashid don't want these pencils. So he also gave back to the shopkeeper. Then how much amount he used to get? 25 pies. Who got 25 pies for these pencils? Rashid. So he wanted to play once again. So for the second time he paid 50 pies, added the numbers. He got one total. The article is ink bottle. Ink bottle. So how much cost is it? 25 pies. Before also 25 pies. Second time also 25 pies. So what did he do for the next time? He was thinking, what is this? Because before persons got big articles, but for me pencils, ink bottle, what is this? So my luck is not good. My luck is bad luck. So he had think like that, and see here in the picture, everyone were laughing by seeing Rashid. Everyone was laughing. So Rashid don't want to do that. Again he wanted to play? No, he don't want to play. Why? Because all of his friends were laughing. Because he didn't get the big articles, he got very small articles that took for 25 pies. So he is not getting any profit. So then he was disappointed to play for the next time. So only for 2 times Rashid played. He got 2 pencils, one ink bottle. He gave back them again to the 25 pies. So now he'll come back from there. Then his uncle also will come back from his friends. So he'll see the Rashid face. Rashid face will be upset. So he'll ask why your face was upset. Then Rashid will tell to the uncle, I had played a game in the lucky shop. There I didn't get any articles. I have got only 2 pencils and 1 ink bottle. Before me, one old man and boy had played. They got different articles in the different price, but here I did not get. So I felt very sad. And the people who were around the shop, they saw and they started laughing towards me. Then uncle will tell, see, the people who were there near the shop were the friends of the shopkeeper. So only they got that many articles. Okay, you are not a friend to the shopkeeper, no. So you will get only small articles. That's why here this shopkeeper cheated you. So don't be disappointed and don't tell all these things to your friends or to anyone, because they laugh for your foolishness. Whenever we go for playing a game, we have to take it as spirit. Just you need to play and a fun. Not like this. Okay. So who told all these words? Uncle told to Rashid. And he'll tell, don't tell anything to your friends also about your foolishness, because if you tell that I didn't get anything, they'll get laugh. So don't repeat that. You just think it and be quiet. So what happened? If you want to go to any other phase and if you want to play anything, you just play for fun and come back. Okay, but don't take it serious, and remember children, the shopkeepers will cheat you also. Okay, so just for fun you need to play, but you should not do like this. Okay children, I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you all.